Good day, good day, good day, divergence traders. Wow. Look at that chart. Look at that mess. It looks like a hurricane. Oh, man. I tell ya, not that I have a crystal ball, because I sure as hell don't. Here's the opening candle right here, and you see how it took off up real quick and then rejected and then created this mess in here, all these wicks. I said, I bet ya they're gonna keep chopping people up, which they did. I'm talking about, I said this to myself over here, whatever time that was. What was it? Oh, it was like 10 to 10. I was saying they're going to chop these people up like they want blood today for some reason. And then I said they'll probably drop it right back down because I've seen this scene before. Let's call it a scene. Let's call it a traitor, murder, crime scene. That's what we should call it. But anyway, I don't have no crystal ball. I'm telling you, I really did tell myself this today. I was thinking it in my mind. I said, right here, I said, they're going to chop everybody up. They're going to take it down and do a sell fake and get everybody thinking that they're going to take it right back down here, the low of the day or something. Yeah, that's what they did. And they took it back up in here. And believe it or not, after they chopped you up, they had you buying up here, selling down here. Okay, there was divergence. It's right here, double bottom. Is it perfect? No, but it's divergence. We're on the 5 minute, and yes, I traded it too, and I did a couple trades, and I lost 10 ticks. No big deal. But anyway, oh no, I got it. I got it back. That's right. I just got it back. I did 3 or 4 trades. I lost some first trade. I lost some, and then I said, "Oh, what a mess this is." Then I went and looked at the pound yen, and I looked at oil, and I found on the pound yen to trade, and I made it back. And then I did another trade with this damn NQ, and I gave it back again. And then I just did another one just now before I started doing the video, and I made the 10 points back. So I think I'm at break even for today. I did all that for nothing. But there's a lot of people, and I really do feel sorry for you today. I'm sure you got killed, murdered in this crap. And if it's going to continue its pattern, okay, like I told you, where it opens up, because it was a new high here. You see what I'm saying? New high. Well, new high through here, through the daily. Okay, and it kept coming back, but it wasn't a new high yet of last month. But it's gonna make a new high. So anyway, because it made a new high too, I was saying, oh, it's probably gonna do as I said. It's gonna chop up some more, and then it's gonna take off, which it did. So anyway, let me show you this divergence. It's right here, plain as day. After they chopped you up like mad, here's the trade right here. Motherfuckers. So you would have bought it there. Your stop would have been down here. See how it came down and swung down a couple times, but it never came back down here to get your stop. Your stop was 37 points. Did we get 30? Oh, yeah, we got like 46 points so far. There's the trade of the day as far as divergence goes. You know? Jesus. Okay, let's look at the S&P now. They're making it difficult, man. Like, I don't know. I can't say these things. It's off topic, and uh all I know is there's people in the world right now, they're squirming. They're squirming, and they're desperate, and they're doing crazy things like moving this market like this. And this year, 24, with elections and everything, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy for the markets too. and even more crazy than usual. Okay? That's what ICT said also a few times over the last few months. And I believed him. I believe him too, because there's politics behind it. Crooked politics. Okay, anyway, so shut up, Jason, and get back onto the show here. Okay, so you would have bought this one here too. This is the S&P. Your stop would have been right here, down here. 6.5 points. Did it go up 6.5 points? Yeah, you would have hit your target right there. There she be. Let's look at the Dow. See what it gave us. This has got to be the opening right here. Yeah. See, I picked it right out. See this long wick right here? That's when the stock market opened. Okay, so if we go like this, oh yeah, there's the trade right there. Like this. Okay, see how it goes up? Yeah, that's what we want. And this one goes down. See? Yeah, baby. Gotta love divergence. And you would have got in right there. Right here, you would have got in right at support at that time. The stop was 63 points from the swing high. I don't think we got 63. Oh, but close. 58, and then we needed 63. Damn. There's no divergence down here to buy it in here. And there's no, lower close, buy it up, it goes. There was none of them. Well, no, there was one right here. There was one right there. What are you talking about, Jason? Okay. Lower close candle right here. And a nice long wick on it. And you would buy it on the next candle. And up it goes. 57 ticks. And we needed this to be closer to the 5, and it wasn't. So there was not, you could have bought a dip, you could have bought a lower close. It doesn't have to abide by my perfect rules that it needs to be close to the 5. When you see these lower, when you see a trend moving up, right, you get a lower dip and a lower closing candle, and you buy the dip. Buy the dip, sell the rallies. Or my favorite new way of saying it, buy the dip, sell the rip. We should come back down heavy now. Heavy, hard, and fast. What did the pound dollar do? Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Double bottom. Oh, I'm so tired. Double bottom. Close enough. Nothing's perfect in this world. Right there. Right here we would have got in. Everything falls into place. The 5 crosses up. The candle price crosses up. You would have bought it right there. And here's the double bottom. And after we got in, did the price come back down here and get your stop? Did it? No, it did not. But right now it might be coming after you. If you were someone who bought here and said, oh, I'm going to make 150 pips today, and you held on to your trade, and now it's turning a corner, going back down. That's why I've said many videos ago that you cannot sit in a daydream and think you're going to get 100 pips or points or whatever, and do it, because those moves are not here. They're not present at this time. Like I said before, like back in 2007, 6, 7, and 8, yes, when they had that crisis in 2008, okay? Back then, we used to have moves of 400, 300, 600 pips, man, in one day. Back then, you could have pulled that off. You see what I'm saying? But you can't today. The markets aren't moving that far these days. So you got to play it smart and go for your little piece of the, the cow. Like, we don't want the whole cow. We just want the cream in the middle from the cow. That's all you need. Okay? Okay, let's move on. Euro. How's the pound dollar? There's no divergence at the top there, this recent top. Yeah, well, I guess there kind of is, but it's an intricate way to search it out, right? So right there and right there. Yeah, it was divergent, but it's intricate. Euro? Oh, Euro looks like the NASDAQ. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that shit. Chop you up. Chop you up. Pound yen. Yeah, so today I traded the pound yen, and I kind of looked at this as like a double bottom kind of thing, and I got in late. I was trading the freaking NASDAQ, and I got in, I don't know, somewhere in here, and I got out right in here. Yeah, that's what happened, and I got the money back. Anyway, it's a double top right now. Check it out. Yeah, it's not quite yet ready to go, but I guess it is now. That would be the trade. Yeah. Did I tell you I'm not a financial advisor or a signal giver? Okay. I'm just showing you the divergence, man. There was a trade up here too, okay, right here. And right here. And when it points down, which way is the price, should the price go? It should go down. So the question is, what if you sold it right here, okay, after it dropped 25 pips? I don't know. I don't think you'd like to do that. I wouldn't. I would wait for a retracement, like back up into here, and then you can see it kept going. I never probably would have done this trade. But let's just put the marking on there to show you where the entry was. It was basically right there to sell, right there at this blue dash line. And this line, this white line, no, I didn't move it properly. It's supposed to be at the high of yesterday. Yesterday's up here. And I'm not even going to put the line of the low of the previous. Oh, it's right here. I didn't move it. Yeah, the low of yesterday is right here. Who knows? Maybe it'll come back down here today. Never know. But anyway, back to the 5. Yeah. So that would be basically the double bottom, whatever. Kind of not really perfect, but still, hey, it gave you all the other indications that it was going to go up, okay? Which was the 5 crossing up above the 7, and then the price crossing up above the 5 and the 7. Go to heaven. 7 heaven. Okay. And it went up like 40 pips, man. Yeah, 40 pips. Pound yen. Euro yen, what did it do? Okay, see a trade here. So again, it's, you know, it's a big run up. 22 points, pips, euro yen. If you would have bought it up here and got in, well, it did not give you your reward. 21 pips is the stop, and 21 pips is the take profit, which would be up here. And it never went up there. It only went to here, halfway. Anyway, but then, so that wouldn't have been good. You might have wanted to do that on a 1 minute. Probably on a 1 minute it looks good. Let me go look for fun. Oh, yeah, it doesn't want to upgrade here. Where was that trade? Yeah, it's right here. Low, retracement, lower low, and then right here, see? and you would have got in right there. That only went up 8. It's the same thing. It's the same shit, just on a lower time frame. Didn't work out. Didn't work out. That's all. However, but we do have hidden divergence. It's right here. Yeah, that's divergence. From right here down to here. You would have sold in here. Not easy to find these divergences sometimes. I have to be honest. I'm not going to lie to you. There's a learning curve. Anyway, it went down 22 pips and the stop was 17 pips. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio on this trade. We also had a higher close. Where is that? Right there. Sell it. Down it goes right there. Actually, here's another one right here. Higher close. Right here. Sell it. Down it goes. That's it. There's no divergence to buy it here. Well, I guess if you really wanted to. Yeah, I guess there is, but it's hard enough to find these as it is. I wouldn't advise trying to find the divergence in these intricate situations. It's right there. Yes, it's okay to draw it across through the OSMA. No problem. As long as it shows the divergence, you know, it is what it is. And you see how this is a double bottom, right? So it's going across, and this is going up, meaning we're going up. Oh, I just got a sharp pain on my wrist. Oh, what the hell is that? My mama used to say, oh, when you get an itchy hand, she said, some money's coming into your hand soon. What about a sharp pain? Is the devil coming into my hand? Holy crap. Okay, let's move on here now to gold. Oh, look at gold. Looks beautiful today. A little wicky, but simple. Sell and buy. Sorry, I'm just tired. So you draw it like this. You discount the big wick. That happened at 8:30. It looks like, yeah. Whatever the news was at 8:30, it did this big wick on gold. Anyway, here is the divergence right here. And we would have got long right there. Ooh, somebody sent me a message. 45 pips it went up, or points. Okay, let's take a look at crude oil now. WTI crude oil. Oh, it just did have it on the 1 minute. Better put on the 5. Oh. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? I didn't want to trade oil today. They ridiculously put the spread way too high. Look at that. 3 or 4 points spread. It's just, there's some criminals that are running this here. This broker that I use. Yeah. They say, oh, it's my... I called them up and complained one time saying, well, what the fook, man, is the spread like 3 and 4 points on oil? That's bullshit. And the spread on the NQ is only like 6.6 of a point. You see the difference? Like, why is oil so high? Yeah, because they're messing with us. That's why. Oh, what are they blaming it on again? What do they call them? Their PA or their DA? I can't think of it right now. They blame it on their price feed or whatever that they get. It's just bullshit. Somebody's just marking it up ridiculously. If you go trade oil, it's 1 to 2 ticks maximum. You know what I'm saying? It's not freaking 4 ticks or 4 points or 4 cents or whatever on oil. You know what I mean? There's just so much crookedness in these markets. Okay, so if you would have bought there, your stop would have been right down here at the swing low. Okay, went up 82 ticks. Oh, look, here's another one. Yeah, so we had a low and a lower low, and it's divergent. As you can see, the 5s crossed up, and the price closed up above the 2 moving averages. And yeah, like I said, it always falls into place. And once it falls into place and you get in, look how it doesn't come back here and get your stop. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, it's beautiful, man. Like a beautiful lady. Okay, so we have one more right here. Yeah, and it goes to there too. We'll just put it a little bit higher so you can see it. And right here. We'll crisscross this, see? That's it, man. That's the divergence. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you would have got in somewhere in here on a dip. Okay? Your stop would have been right here at the swing low, 38 ticks lower. Did it come back down there and get you? Your stop that was down here? No, never did. Instead, it went up and gave you profit. That's it. Gotta love the divergence and everything I have set up inside of it. It's so good. But anyway, as Sammy would say, that's a story for another day. So anyway, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming out. I really appreciate it. If you're going to continue to trade this afternoon, please be careful. Don't put on too much risk. Not that I'm giving you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Just play it cool. It's already been a horrific day. They went after blood today and they got it. If you want blood, da-da, you got it. AC/DC. Gotta love that band from Australia. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.